Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, guys. I will really appreciate. So today we are doing plumbing for our house. So I would like to show you what is going on, guys. Stay tuned. Let me show you. Jaka juli luengi. Dianga.
Amo vamos.
Ah, pokimosa ka.
Jono.
Oh,
karaj ko de vera.
Iko ni vera
Ini
be.
dianga.
Oh, ini dianga. Ana ni bwana cha. Ama ni jamaa cha.
Ini mari tini muli kumne mapi ukelwa.
Jaka juli luengi. So this is our master bedroom, and we have a washroom here. It is a master ensuite. So this is the plumber was doing the plumbing here, and this is how the plumbing has been done. Let me show you. So here, this pipe here is for sink, washroom sink, and this one is for shower. This pipe here is for shower, and there is also another one here. This pipe, the bigger pipe, is for the toilet or washroom. This bigger one here, and that is the window over there. That is our window, our washroom window. There is also another pipe here. This one, it is for the sink. The plumbing was done yesterday. Yes. Let me take you to another washroom where the plumbing has also been done. Plumbing has also been done in here. This is another washroom for the two rooms, for this room and the other room. Yes, this is a common washroom. And the plumbing has also been done here. They have put all the pipes which are supposed to be put. So this is where the sink will be. That is where the toilet will be. The bigger pipe over there. And the shower is up there. I don't know whether you can see it clearly. Yes. That is how it has been done, guys. And I really thank God for this far He has brought me. I really appreciate what God has done to me. But there is nothing I can do, but I'm simply thanking Him so much for doing such an amazing job for me. And that is the window over there. Washroom window. The plumbing has also been done in the dining room, in the dining area. Let me show you how it has been done. This is the pipe in the dining. This is the dining area. And this is the pipe where the sink will be. This is the place where the sink will be. And these are the pipes. Huh? Huh? Sawa. Sawa, ukishika. Sawa. This is where the sink will be in the dining room. Then we are going to the kitchen. The kitchen is here. This is the kitchen area, and the plumbing has also been done. And this is the pipe. This is the place where the sink will be. This is where we will put the sink. This is where we are going to put our sink, guys. And this is the window. This is the washroom window. The toilet, the kitchen window, I mean. Let me show you the kitchen window. This is it. Thank you so much, guys. And this is our pantry. This is where our pantry will be. This is the pantry. And we've installed the window here. This is the window. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I will really appreciate it. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. I will really appreciate. Subscribe, like, comment, and share, guys. I will really appreciate you. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. To our returning subscribers, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in my next video.